find the centroid of the bent wire ABC. So here we would need to use the x bar equation equals xl over L and y equals yl over L. So that should be a bar over the y. Okay, there we go. So now to find L, L simply is the perimeter of the figure, which is the sum of all the sides. So we can find the length of each individual side by using the Pythagorean theorem. So from here to here is 2, and from here to here is 3. So using the Pythagorean theorem, we have 3 squared plus 4 squared, which is 13. So this side is square root of 13. So we apply the same thing here. This distance here is a distance of 7, and this height here is 7 minus 2.5, so that's 4.5. So using the Pythagorean theorem, we have 4.5 squared plus 7 squared, and that gives us about 8.312. And also for the last one right here, this is a distance of 10 and a height of 2.5. And using the formula again, we should have 10 squared plus 2.5 squared, which gives us about 10.31. So the L will be the sum of all the sides. Square root of 13 plus 8.322 plus 10.31. So this adds up to, let's see, 22.34, 22.24 actually. So now for the x bar, this means we'll multiply each one of the lines by its x centroid multiplied by the length of the line. So the x centroid for this line is basically the x component divided by 2. So from here to here is 3, dividing it by 2, we have 1.5, and we multiply by its length. The same thing for the next one. So from here to here is 7, 7 over 2 is 3.5. Well, 3.5 has to be a distance from just the end of this line, but we want all our numbers to be in respect to the origin, so we need to add an additional 3 here. So this gives us 6.5 right here, and multiply by the length again, plus this is just 10 divided by 2, so 5 multiplied by 10.1. So calculating that, we have 111.05, and this is x bar L, sorry. So find it using the formulas. Find the x bar. We basically have this divided by the L, and that gives us 4.99. So this gives us 4.99, whatever the units is. So for the y, we need to apply the same rules like we just did. So for y L bar, we have what is the y coordinate for this? So from here to here is 2. This is 6, halfway between. So that's 6 multiplied by the length of the line. So from here to here is a distance of 4.5. Dividing that by 2, that gives us 2.25. So from here to here is 2.25, and we need to add the additional 2.5 below. So that gives us 4.75 multiplied by the length of the line. And for the last one, this 2.5 to 5. So 2.5 to 5 divided by 2. So that gives us 3.75. Multiplied by the length of this line, just 10.31. So plugging that in the calculator, that gives us 99.83. So to find the y coordinate now, simply divide by 22.24, and that results to 4.49 at whatever the unit is. So here we have 4.9 and 4.9, so a centroid is about here. I can't see that. Let me change this to red. So your centroid is about here. Well, this isn't drawn to scale, so this is just a representation because I made this question up. So thank you, and please watch my next video. Thank you.